Hello everyone, Kostas from AI Tool Detective, and we are about to explore another amazing platform that creates amazing avatars and great VSL videos and uh, anything you want to create from videos. Let's dive in and explore more. We're gonna create together one video and see what this amazing platform can do for us. Okay, let's do it. This is the dashboard, and as you can see, I have my ready-made templates here. I have the creations, that the ones that I created. I have the AI voices. I have everything I need to create amazing and stunning videos. So let's see a showcase. Let's see this template to see.
Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to recommend you a magical solution that will free you from.
You see, it looks great, right? Let's try this woman.
Dear viewers, hello everyone. Welcome to today's weather report. I am the host, bringing you the latest and most accurate weather forecast information.
Perfect, right? It looks like we have a very nice platform. Let's dive in and create our own video right away. Okay, I'm gonna go to home and over here I'm gonna just select one created AI from scratch. Let's try this one. I'm gonna select to make a 16 to 9 landscape video. And over here I'm gonna just select the avatar that I want to we have a variety, a great variety from avatars. I'm gonna choose this lady over here. You see, we got this watermark over here, but we can easily create our video. That's happening because we are in a free package, and we can create anything we want, but we're gonna have this watermark. You know how it goes. So let's go on and paste here our script. Okay, I just created a script. I'm gonna just paste here, and it says no less than 40 characters. Okay, so we got enough going on. Let's try now how it's gonna sound from here. Okay, we can select our
Kreadoai
voice.
provides more than 100 digital human.
I'm just gonna select English, female, young, and the tone to be okay, excited. I guess it's nice. And here, let's try.
Kreadoai provides more than.
Kreadoai provides more than
Kreadoai provides more than 100 digital.
Okay, those are all of them. They're special, so subscription is needed. So I'm gonna select something that is free. Okay, I'm gonna select Kim over here.
Kreadoai.
It looks nice. I'm gonna click apply, and we are done. Okay, seems like we have to use only 200 characters, so I'm gonna just paste this one, and I'm gonna preview the video first.
I'm an AI avatar made with Kreadoai.
While you preview, you can't have the lips and the synchronization, so I'm gonna just click generate to see the result right away. Okay, let's move on and click generate, and we're gonna just select here. The video duration is about 10 seconds, and coins consumed, they're gonna be 10. Let's do it. Start generating. In the meanwhile, I can just select another lady here. I'm gonna select this nice lady, and I'm gonna just create another video, and I'm gonna leave the same context here. So it's gonna be I'm an AI avatar made with Kreadoai AI. Create stunning videos with no camera or mix. Start for free today. Click the link in the description to learn more. Okay, so I'm gonna just click here to change just the voice and select somebody else from. Okay, I'm gonna select all of them, and I'm gonna select here this time Ava.
Kreadoai provides
So looks nice. Okay, and let's click generate again here. Boom. And we are ready. Let's see our result.
I'm an
Okay.
AI avatar made with Kreadoai. Create stunning videos with no camera or mic. Start for free today. Click the link in the description to learn more.
That's the
I'm
other
an
one.
AI avatar made with Kreadoai. Create stunning videos with no camera or mic. Start for free today. Click the link in the description to learn more.
Nice. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, just click like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna showcase more of these amazing platforms, and we're gonna stay for long with many of those that really give value, and they give you speed, and they make your creation faster and better. Thank you very much for watching, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.